Today we are, is it 18th? Today we are at the post on lights, opening lights. Well, not opening, but lights. Yeah. Say hey, Lauren.
Hi.
How do you like the lights so far? How do you like the lights so far?
Beautiful. Nice.
Is it gorgeous? Is it like anything you've ever seen in your life?
Sort of.
Do you feel like you're at Disneyland?
A bit. Hey, yo, check it out. Like, let the ranger like chick, chick, chick.
I'll go take your picture.